The Bosch Professional GSR18V90C cordless drill is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professionals who demand precision, durability, and performance. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor, this drill delivers exceptional power with a maximum torque of 64 Newton-meters, ensuring effortless drilling and screw driving in wood, metal, and other materials. The Bosch 18-volt system ensures full compatibility with all Bosch Professional 18-volt batteries. And this kit includes two ProCore 4.0 Ah batteries for extended runtime. The Bluetooth Low-Energy GCY4 module allows for smart connectivity, enabling customization and tracking via the Bosch Toolbox app. The GAL18V40 charger ensures quick recharging, minimizing downtime on the job. Built for endurance, the robust metal chuck enhances durability, while the compact, ergonomic design provides comfort and control. Whether for construction, woodworking, or heavy-duty applications, the GSR18V90C is the ideal cordless drill for professionals seeking reliability and top-tier performance. The Metabo 18V cordless high-speed driver drill kit is a top-tier solution for demanding metal drilling applications, offering unmatched speed, power, and precision. Designed for professionals, it features a 3-speed gearbox, delivering optimal performance for high-speed metal drilling. Equipped with the best-in-class Rohm Supra SK drill chuck, it provides the highest clamping force on the market, ensuring a secure grip on bits for maximum efficiency. Safety is paramount with its anti-kickback functionality, utilizing gyroscopic sensors to cut power upon bit lockup, preventing injuries and damage. The re-engineered quick-change tool-free chuck boasts 100% more bearing reinforcement, increasing durability and stability. A 12-setting torque selection wheel, including an impulse mode, allows precise control for various applications. Powered by a second-generation long-life brushless motor, its updated housing enhances cooling airflow, reducing overheating. With an ergonomic rubberized slimline handle and a more responsive trigger mechanism, this drill delivers unparalleled performance, comfort, and durability for professionals. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Drill Combo Kit is a high-performance, professional-grade power tool set designed to handle tough drilling and fastening applications with ease. This two-tool kit includes the DCD 998 20V MX XR 1/2-inch 3-speed hammer drill and the DCF 887 20V Max XR 1/4-inch 3-speed impact driver, providing versatility and power for demanding tasks. The DCD 998 hammer drill features POWERDET ECT tool technology, which maximizes performance when paired with high-capacity XR batteries, delivering up to 29% more power compared to previous models. The kit includes a 20V Max 8.0 Ah Lithium-Ion battery, a 20V Max 2.0 AA compact battery, and a fast charger, ensuring extended runtime and minimal downtime. With 3-speed settings for both tools, users can adjust power and speed to suit different materials and applications. Built for durability and efficiency, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Combo Kit is the ultimate choice for professionals seeking superior performance and reliability. The Makita XFD12T 18V LXT Driver Drill Kit is a powerful, efficient, and versatile tool designed for professionals who require precision and durability. Featuring a mechanical 2-speed transmission, 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, it provides optimal performance for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. The BL brushless motor delivers an impressive 530 in .lbs of max torque, ensuring reliable power for tough jobs. Engineered for efficiency, the electronically controlled BL motor optimizes battery energy use, extending runtime by up to 50% per charge. Unlike traditional motors, the brushless design eliminates carbon brushes, allowing the motor to run cooler, reduce wear, and enhance overall lifespan. Additionally, the motor intelligently adjusts torque and RPM to match the demands of each task, maximizing performance and battery efficiency. Whether you're working on construction, remodeling, or heavy-duty applications, the Makita XFD12T delivers the power, longevity, and precision professionals need to get the job done right. The Fein ASCM 18QSW Select 18V cordless drill/driver is a high-performance, precision-engineered tool designed for professionals who demand power, efficiency, and durability. Featuring a brushless Fein power drive motor, it delivers 30% higher efficiency, ensuring robust performance and extended service life. Built for safety and longevity, the drill is equipped with Fein safety cell technology, which protects the battery and tool from overload, overheating, and total discharge, maximizing durability. The solid metal gearbox with 4 speeds provides optimal cutting speeds, making it perfect for metal drilling and self-drilling screwdriving applications. Designed for convenience, the Fein Quicken system enables accessory changes in under 3 seconds, with a patented, tool-free rapid clamping system, enhancing workflow efficiency. With over 150 years of expertise, Fein has established itself as a leader in power tools, ensuring that every product is built to last longer and perform better. The Fein ASCM 18QSW is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand reliability and precision.